2022 BMW X3 M40. The customer came through actually multiple times in the last few months. Did a little section at a time. The first time I think he got tips. He also had an aftermarket downpipe installed right there. You can't really see much because it's tucked away, but today he wanted to install this Y pipe right here. Remove that resonator right there. It's one inlet, dual exit right there, and that's what we did. The rear muffler is still on there, guys, and he has these M Performance carbon fiber tips, those quad tips. Those look good. We're franchising, guys, so if you want to own a G exhaust, check out the links in the description. We'll give you all the information. If you own one of these, yo, I like this setup, yo. The resonator deleted, install a white pipe, and then a nice little aftermarket down pipe, whatever. It's good to go, yo. It's gonna sound good. All right, let's hear it.